Hi mga ka-UVG. So ako ulit, tignan natin, silipin natin kung ano ang energy update ng January first week 2026. Happy New Year po in advance. So let's see. Gusto ko po palang magpasalamat sa mga new subscriber at saka returning. Thank you so much po sa mga feedback nyo, comment, like. Thank you so much po. Laking tulong. So, tingnan po natin. Silipin natin ang first week of January 2026 for my UVG Collective. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, no, better luck next time po. Baka po energy nyo na masagap ko. Sa mga makaka-resonate po, thank you po in advance. So, stay connected po tayo. Let's see. Tingnan natin. Energy update for my UVG Collective first week of January 2026. Ace of Fire. It's a good start, Virgo. Call. So, merong ang Ace of Fire and the Call. Dahil it's a commitment, Virgo. Or someone all about contract, business, or love department, career department. Pero it's very clear. Huwag tayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa. May nararamdaman akong ganong energy. Merong delay. Okay, with the Hangman. Or, basta may tatawag sa'yo. Pinaka-clear na lang na masasabi ko. Ace of Fire. Wait. Ace of Fire. Ace of Wands. Passionate, fiery chemistry. The drive is there. Call. Motivated talagang tawagan. Communication. Hierophant is all about contract, belief system, marriage, proposal, sequence, pasensya na. That's the confirmation na merong magdiding-ading sa telepono mo or sa pinto mo. Expect some communication. In the first week of January, merong magpa-pop out dito, maybe a fire or an air. It doesn't have to be the sign. But maybe meron silang ganun sa chart nila. Or maybe ikaw, meron kang gustong tawagan, very passionate kang gawin. Let's do this, let's do that. Or maybe this person, yung fire, yung drive, natawagan ka. Kaya lang may delay. I don't know why may delay, pero maglalabas pa tayo ng ilang cards dito. Okay, so ito ang energy update ng first week of January 2026. Ang ganda. Okay. So, gustong magkaroon ng fresh start dito. King of Air is a smart mover. Mind over heart. Pero hindi ko masabing mind over heart kasi yung passion nandito. Very fiery. And at the same time, intellect din. Commitment. Baka may offer sa'yo ditong commitment or career or new contract or kasi kung ibe-base natin sa career to, merong call na magte-take place or na magaganap regarding sa kontrata or signing about legalities, na talagang malakas ang drive mo sa department na yun when it comes to career. And this person, or maybe ikaw lang ang nag-embody ng King of Air, very intellect in the month of January, first week. Mafe-feel mo yung wiseness, strategy, parang magpa-pop out lang out of nowhere. Magigising ka na lang na, "Wow, I think I have a calling." Para bagang maybe this is spiritually, uh, it can go that way also. Basta sa January, ibe-breakdown kong 4 cards na 'to, meron lang delay. May gustong tumawag, may gustong makipag-usap sa'yo. Ang transaction dito is about contract, na talagang very passionate ang person na 'to. Kung ilalagay natin sa love department, mag-a-ask 'to ng commitment, "Will you marry me?" Proposal, "Moving in with me," kind of energy. Pagdating naman sa career, you will feel that you have a calling, meron kang gustong gawin na kailangan mong mag-commit. I think first week of January it will take place. Yeah, you will feel very smart, you will feel very wise sa situation, ipu-pursue mo siya, um, yung spirituality mo is mag-highlighten, mag-i-improve, okey. Kung ano man yung passionate kang gawin. So, let's see, dalawa lang, career, baka tawagan ka, kailangan mong i-sign ang contract na 'to because you are really fit, you are very qualified in this position, and we need you here, kung sa career. Okey. 'Pag sa love, may tatawag sa'yo, "Will you marry me? Moving in with me, let's do this together." Hindi ko pa natatanong dito if this is a new or old person, but I don't think so, there's an old here. Okey. And spiritually, you have a calling spiritually in the spiritual realm. Ito yung mission mo na dapat mong gawin sa earth, kaya ka nandito. So, you will be provided lahat ng mga knowledge tsaka wisdom na nire-require mo or mga kailangan mo, mga tools na kailangan mo on your journey. Okay, so tatlo lang, spiritually, career, and love. But there is a delay. So let's see. Tell me more about this energy update in January 1st or January 2026 first week. King of Fire. Page of Water and King of Fire. Very passionate Virgo. Eight of Air. Ace of Air. Puro air. Maybe you're dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aqua, or maybe meron silang ganun sa chart nila. Air sign, fire sign. Virgo. There is someone is on fire. Kaya sinasabi ko kanina, hindi ko masasabing itong person na to is nag-ooperate through minds or mind games or manipulation. Itong person na to is natututo na siyang gamitin yung heart niya dito. Kung sino man to, this person is on fire. Fire, Virgo, fire. Ang pinag-uusapan na dito, nagbabaga talaga. As in, bagang-baga. Sorry. Kung sa makikita mo tong person na to, tinatry niyang i-hide. Kasi may mask eh. Tinatry niyang i-hide yung feeling pero meron siyang halo. Meaning, tsaka tingnan mo yung art, yung imagery niya. This person is on fire. The idea of you being with you, being committed. Page of Water, call, at saka Page of Water, hey, this is an offer of transaction ng emotion to eh. Okay, so, Eight of Air, physically, mentally stuck. Okay. And with the Ace of Air, there is a truth that is going to be revealed according to this person's feeling. Magbe-base 'tong person na 'to sa feeling niya at saka the way na kasi may hangman tayo kanina, 'di ba? The way na i-perceive niya yung situation niya sa'yo or sa situation itself. Gusto niyang i-free ang mind niya or think outside the box. Kasi nasabi, kasi nagko-coherent na nag spark na yung mind at saka yung heart eh. Ibig sabihin nag-a-agree na yung heart at saka mind niya nag-a-agree na. Kumbaga dati puro mind games lang, cold, kasi hindi pa siya umaabot sa stage ng siguro 'yan lang. Kung tatanggalin natin ang King of Fire, ito lang nararamdaman niya, it's like passion, chemistry, very hot, and then all of a sudden cold, very cold, detached, boss energy like, "Oh, hindi ko puwedeng ipakita yung sarili ko na ganito, ganito." But hell no. Merong sudden realization dito na kailangan kong maging vulnerable kay Virgins. It's time to change. Ayaw na nitong mag-hide 'no, kay this person. Napapaisip na siya dito, eh. Kasi gusto niya ng commitment, pero how come na matutupad yung commitment na gusto niyang mangyari or yung desire niya na commitment kung hindi siya magve-first move dito sa communication or action, kung wala siyang action gagawin, 'di ba? Mai-stuck siya kaya Eight of Air, Hierophant at saka Eight of Air physically, mentally stuck. But meron ditong aha moment with the Ace of Fire. Meron kang Ace of Fire at saka Ace of Fire at saka Ace of Air. Meaning Ace of Swords at saka Ace of Wands. Pareho silang underneath ng King. Okay, hindi po 'to Knights page. This is King. Okay, so bibigyan ka nito ng kunyari bare minimum na emotion. Pero projection lang yun kasi stuck siya sa gusto niyang mangyari. Hindi ko alam baka maglalabas na siya sa cocoon niya, baka maglalabas na siya sa shell niya, baka nakapag-decide na siya na talagang kailangan niya maging vulnerable kung gusto niya makuha ang commitment na for real, real, for real. Okay. Kailangan may vulnerability. Okay. Kung sa love 'to, someone is going to pursue you, Virgo, in the month of first week of January 2026, expect some call. Merong aha moment ng person na 'to, hindi puro brain, hindi puro mind games, hindi ime-effect sa'yo yung mind games or whatsoever. Kailangan ng compassion, kailangan ng sympathy, kailangan like, you know what I mean, Virgo, the fire and the chemistry and the full package. Okay. Expect some call. Clarify the Eight of Fire. Ba't parang may mali? Six of Water. Tell me more. Ace of Earth, new beginning. I think this is all in the past. Okay, meron siyang past trauma. Transformation is on the bottom of the deck. So this is the whole scenario, Virgo, when it comes to love. This person, kung sino man to, gusto niya ng new slate. So, expect some communication the first week of January that this person is going to open up their vulnerability side. Meaning, sa una, titirahin ka niya emotionally, pero pa konti-konti, bare minimum. Pero back of the bare minimum, merong mga full blast na king dito na willing na Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords, Ace of Pentacles. Willing na isugal sa'yo lahat. Willing na itaya sa'yo lahat. Okay. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Kung meron man siyang naging commitment before, I think that's already in the past. Naging stuck siya for a very long time in that kind of cycle. Nasa past siya with the Six of Cups. Six of Cups is nostalgic. Eight of Swords is stuck siya ng matagal na panahon. But with the Ace of Wands is being here, and the passion and the drive, Virgo, expect some goal. Mag-o-open na 'tong person na 'to na, "Hey, stuck ako sa ganito, stuck ako sa ganyan." But everything will be work out just fine if you let me know kung ano side mo or ano ba, willingness na sinasabi. Walang forceful energy akong nararamdaman dito. I think this person will operate in a very smart way to but at the same time in a very compassion and fiery drive motivated way. Ace of Pentacles, transformation. This person nag-expect man siya, I know. Nag-expect siya sa big transformation, breakthrough when it comes to this person's life, or maybe this is you, either way. But we are talking about long term here, like till death do us part kind of energy. Transformation, as I said, Virgo. Pero it's up to you. It's up to you. It's up to you. Gusto ko sanang i-switch sa career pero parang wala akong anggulo sa career dito. Pwede din. Ten of Water. Page of Fire. Expect some communication. Expect some communication here, Virgo. Page of Fire. And the Magician. As I said, the mind, Virgo. Pero sa nakikita ko, gusto lang, mafe-feel mo to, first week of January. Someone is going to get you, Virgo. That's what I'm telling. Pero communication is magte-take place. Ang intention ng person na to is to commit, settle down, moving in with you. Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Fire, and the Ace of Swords. Magician card. Matagal niya na itong hinihintay, longing for the stable relationship and stability and long term. Ayaw niya this person is not looking for temporary solution and temporary, you know what I mean, Virgo? Long term ang hinahanap nito kasi this person is stuck for a very long time. So, ready na siyang lumabas sa cocoon or maging vulnerable. Lesson learned, natutunan niya na kung ano man ang mga dapat niyang matutunan when it comes to relationship. Kung selfish siya dati, kailangan niya maging be more open. Kung cold siya dati, kaya nasira yung relationship niya, I think kailangan niya mag-compromise. When it comes to emotion, kailangan niya mag-communicate. Parang ganong lesson ba? Kind of energy. Very wise. Magician card. Strategically alam niya na kung ano yung mga dapat niyang gawin. Itong row na to. So, nagde-desire siya, nag-manifest siya dito nag-order siya niyang new relationship here, Virgo Ten of Cups. New relationship, nag-manifest siya dito ng pang long term, yung talagang step by step, walang kuskus balungos na sinasabi, straightforward, till death do us part kind of thing. Based on experience, kaya atong person na to is magiging more understandable and reciprocated compassion and things of that nature. Okay. Ten of Cups, this person is desiring yung drive niya, Virgo, na magkaroon ng Ten of Cups with you. It's like unmatchable. There's nothing compare. Itong person na to, talagang go-getter. Okay, kung ano man yung magiging desire niya, expect some communication. Kung sino man magko-communicate sa'yo regarding sa settle down or it's legit, Virgo. So, yun na nakikita ko dito, Virgo. Let's see. What else? The World card. Eight of Earth, Nine of Water. Ang gaganda ng cards. And Patience. So, as I said kanina, patience. Kailangan ng patience dito. So, the World card, I think both of you are in different, may distance ako nakikita dito. Okay. Or ending something tough. This is a new beginning with the World card. World card is sa traditional tarot. Ang World card is ang World card sa traditional tarot is travel, departure, ending something in order to begin new one. Okay, so this is a clean slate. Um, ang gusto mangyari nitong person na to is magkaroon ng I think this person is looking for you for a very long time. I think nakapag-decide siya na this is my match kind of energy. Meron siyang mentality na ganun, Virgo. Okay, so expect some call with this person. Titirahin ka niya ng bare minimum emotion. Pero I think sunod-sunod na yan behind ang bare minimum. Magkakaroon ng excitement. Parang mafe-feel mong yung excitement na this person is willing to work it out. Okay, at the end of the day, hindi ko alam if you are dealing with someone that you have history with or maybe this is a new person. Either way, um, this person will work things out with you, Virgo. Yun ang pinaka-clear lang na masasabi ko. So, with the Hierophant card, Eight of Swords, Six of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, and the Knight of Cups, this person, ikaw ang wish nito eh. Sa totoo lang. Nag-cross path kayo, hindi ko alam in which, anong paraan na may eroplano, hindi ko alam baka may travel dito. Travel to see you or you will going to travel to see them, I don't know. Either way. So, this person, meron siyang trauma, pero meron siyang trauma, na-stuck siya sa relationship for a very long time. And with the Ace of Pentacles, this person is expecting some new beginning elsewhere. I think hindi siya nag-expect before, but this person's found you. Na nung nakilala ka ng person na to, doon siya nagkaroon ng idea na trigger yung sabi ko sa'yo, yung heart and brain niya nagkaroon ng coherent. Like, you know what I mean, Virgo? So, with the Ace of Swords, the Magician card, and the Patience card, this person is willing to wait. Willing to wait kung ano man ang magiging decision mo. Kaya may nakita tayong mga delay kanina. Bottom of the deck ngayon is Four of Wands. So this is definitely a stability, Virgo. So expect some communication. Congratulations, by the way, if this person is going to commit. May kakasal ba? Sa mga Virgo, meron ng commitment. This reading is gonna be level up. Okay. There is a level up in the situation or in the relationship. Kung meron mang fallout na nangyari, expect some communication with this person. This person is going to work things out with you. If this is a new person, Virgo, or hindi mo pa na-meet ang person na to, it can go either way. This person is having the courage to have patience, Virgo, na mag-work things out kung ano man ang gusto niyang mangyari or willing niyang i-offer sa'yo. Magbe-base pa rin siya sa side mo. This person is really open and ready for the next level or first level pa lang para sa mga in a new relationship. Okay. So with the Four of Wands, this person, ang hanap talaga niya is stability, long-term longevity, grabe long-term longevity, heavy duty, sorry, battery, long life, till death do us part, kind of energy. Yun ang nakikita kong intention ng person na 'to. Hindi ko alam kung anong mga naging transaction niyo, pero you change this person's mind, you change this person's heart. Okay. The way na tingnan niya ang relationship before, tingnan mo naman, stuck siya paulit-ulit, walang nangyayari, there's no improvement, walang but now, lahat ng cards dito is new beginning, puro ace. Lumabas ang transformation kanina, Ten of Cups, puro ace. Work things out with you, Virgo. Yun ang nakikita ko. Four of Fire is stability, moving forward together, it's a home, family. As I said, longevity nga. Ginasabi nga ni... So, tingnan natin kung anong advice. Tingnan natin kung anong advice sa ating mga ka-UVG dyan. Para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better lang next time po, okay? Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, let's see, stay connected po tayo. Adjustment is required. Sorry na nalobat yung uh, mic eh. So, adjustment is required. Meditate and contemplate. Work through your fears. So, Virgins, the energy is gaining momentum. So, ito yung advice sa'yo, Virgo. Kung ano man ang doubt mo sa connection na to, or sa person, or sa situation na to, situationship na to, just let it go and let it fly and go with the flow ka na lang. Pero hindi ko naman sinabi mo wala kang discernment or wag kang magkaroon ng discernment or something. Pero this person is nafe-feel kong legit. Kung meron kayong fallout, if this is a past person, this person deserves another chance. Pero hindi ko sinabing paulit-ulit na chance ha. Kung marami siyang chance na nag-take place, this is not the person for you. It's already toxic. One time, two time, pag nag-three times pa, cut off na. Kahit gano'n kahirap, pero kasi hindi kasi si Lord magbibigay ng person na paulit-ulit kang sasaktan eh. You know what I mean, Virgo? So if I'm talking with a new person, this person, work through your fears kung baga baka ikaw ang may trauma dito. Just work through your fears, adjustment is required, meditate and contemplate so you can see the bigger picture of the situation. Pero tong person na to, kung ano man ang hininaing niya or desire niya, ang desire niya dito is magkaroon ng stable relationship, long-term longevity as I said, till that was part kind of relationship and tawag yan straight. Straight. Wala nang player or whatsoever dito. We're talking about maturity here. Okay. So, yun nakikita ko. And the energy is gaining momentum, working stability, and business. May mga nakikita ko ditong business ideas with the Ace of Pentacles and the Ace of Swords together with the Ace of Wands. This is an idea. If you put it together, ang idea nyo is talagang both of you are gonna win in this lifetime. Breakthrough when it comes to finances, generational wealth as well. Okay. So, let's see kung anong angel message number. Angel message number for my Virgo, please. Sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better lang next time po. Okay. Meron kang 2, meron kang Jack, ancestor mo, mga middle 50s. Okay. King, lolo, or masculine energy. So, meron kang 2-5, 255. Okay. So, 255, search mo siya. Maaaring makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. So, yeah. Virgo. Thank you so much. Thank you for being here, Virgo. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye for now.